Welcome to Volza. Are you eager to stay ahead of the competition by gaining insight into their growth? Supplementing Edge Company Profile feature offers an unparalleled view into a company's growth over the past 3 years, including their entire supply chain, and much more, all at the click of a button. To get started, simply select the exporter or importer whose details you want to explore, such as the Burla Corporation Limited, and let the magic begin. You can quickly choose between exports or imports to see their shipment and value-based growth over 2 financial years, or customize your search by selecting your desired duration. But wait, there's more. Keep scrolling to uncover the top 5 HS codes used by the company, along with a detailed overview of their shipment count and value, as well as maps of their supply and import markets around the world. For a more thorough examination, simply click on All to access a comprehensive list of every HS code, buyer, and trading country. If you're interested in viewing their shipments in a global search, just click on View in Global. And if that wasn't enough, you can also examine the company's growth comparisons based on various factors, such as shipment count, value, supplies, import markets, and more. This data is presented as compound annual growth rates over 5 years, 3 years. Our tool also provides supply chain intelligence, which can give you a deep insight about who is the second or third level buyer supplier in the supply chain, identify the top suppliers, buyers, form the top trading companies, and many more. With Volza's company profile feature, you'll have the ultimate advantage in understanding and staying ahead of your competitors. Don't hesitate, unlock the full potential of your business today with Volza. For better clarification, please schedule a detailed walkthrough with our expert team at your convenience. To schedule the walkthrough, you can either click on the booking link on the app.volza.com welcome page, or refer to the video description. Once you've chosen a time that works for you, we'll send you a meeting confirmation, along with our coach's contact details. Additionally, you can contact us for any support through our live chat support or WhatsApp. We hope you find this demo helpful, and we would love to hear from you. Thank you.